Hello friends, today's topic 8 stocks that made huge profits in the last 6 months. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. The Indian economy has slowed down in the last 3 months. Similarly, the business performance of many companies are experiencing a slowdown currently. However, some companies have done exceptionally well even during such a period. Their business fundamentals have significantly improved and hence the stock price has appreciated a lot and could go up further. The improved performance of these companies was because of higher demand for their products, lower input costs and better efficiency in business. The following are the companies which profits for April-September 2024 period is higher than the profit for the entire financial year 2023-24, that is previous year. Companies with strong performance. 1. Bharti Airtel, net profit for 2023-24, 12 months, 8,558 crore. Net profit for April-September 2024, in 6 months only, 8,871 crore. Zomato, net profit for 2023-24, 12 months, 351 crore. Net profit for April-September 2024, in 6 months, 429 crore. 3. Vedanta, net profit 2023-24 in 12 months 7,539 and net profit for April-September 2024 6 months 10,608 crores. 4. Dixon Technologies, net profit for 1 year 2023-24 375, net profit next 6 months 552 crores. 5. Policy Bazaar, net profit for 2023-24 12 months 64 crore, net profit for April-September 2024 6 months 111 crores. 6. Godrej Properties, net profit for 2023-24 12 months 747 crores, net profit for April-September 2024 6 months 853 crores. 7. Voltas, net profit previous 1 year 248, next 6 months this year 468 crores. 8. Adani Wilmar, net profit for 2023-24 12 months 278 crores, net profit for April-September 2024 6 months 650 crores. Due to the strong performance of the business, the stock performance of most of these companies has been very good in the last 6 months to 1 year. Stock performance of the companies. 1. Bharti Airtel, returns in 1 year 60%. 2. Zomato 153%. 3. Vedanta 105%. 4. Dixon Technologies 192%. 5. Policy Bazaar 162%. 6. Godrej Properties 47%. 7. Voltas 100%. 8. Adani Wilmar minus 17%. So you can see that the stock performance has been very good due to the significantly higher profits compared to last year. In the future, watch out for such companies whose profits are significantly higher, since it may be an opportunity for short term or long term. If you want to learn more on why these companies have improved their business performance, read online news articles by googling the company name. You will gather a lot of interesting information which will be useful for you in the future. You can also read the annual reports of the companies you hold so that you can understand how they plan to grow further. Here is an announcement. IPOಗಿಂತ ಮೊದಲೇ unlisted ಷೇರುಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದು ಹೇಗೆ? Live discussion for all channel members tomorrow 10th December Tuesday at 9:15 p.m. on Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute Kannada channel. End of the video, here is a question. Do you own any of these 8 stocks? If yes, type the name, otherwise type no. In case you are not the member of our channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.